Losing weight doesn't have to be a battle against your taste buds. It's not about deprivation and restrictions, it's about making smart choices and savoring the food you love. Imagine a journey where you discover delicious, healthy meals that nourish your body and satisfy your cravings. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle change that celebrates food and promotes well-being. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure towards a healthier, happier you. Many people associate weight loss with strict diets and bland meals, but that's a misconception. This journey is about creating a positive relationship with food where you enjoy every bite and still achieve your weight goals. Forget the restrictive fads and embrace a sustainable approach that incorporates healthy habits into your daily life. It's about making gradual changes that fit seamlessly into your routine. You'll learn how to make mindful choices, savor each meal, and find joy in movement. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out and creating a sustainable lifestyle that you can maintain for years to come. Get ready to discover the delicious side of weight loss. It's time to ditch the diet mentality and embrace a holistic approach to health and well-being. Mindful eating is the cornerstone of enjoying food while losing weight. It's about paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite and appreciating the flavors and textures of your meal. When you eat mindfully, you're less likely to overeat and more likely to feel satisfied with smaller portions. This allows your body to register fullness signals, preventing you from consuming more calories than you need. It's about transforming eating from a mindless act to a conscious and enjoyable experience. Portion control is another key element in achieving weight loss without dieting. It's not about restricting yourself to tiny portions of food. It's about finding the right balance that satisfies your hunger and nourishes your body. This involves understanding appropriate serving sizes and learning to listen to your body's fullness cues. One effective strategy for portion control is using smaller plates and bowls. This can trick your mind into thinking you're eating more than you actually are, helping you feel satisfied with less food. Another helpful tip is to pre-portion your snacks and meals. This helps you control your intake and prevents mindless snacking. By preparing your food in advance, you can make healthier choices and avoid overeating. Learning to recognize your body's hunger and fullness cues is crucial for portion control. Pay attention to the signals your body sends you. Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're comfortably satisfied, not stuffed. This allows you to enjoy your food without overindulging. It's about listening to your body's wisdom. Making smart swaps is a simple yet effective way to improve your diet without feeling deprived. It's about replacing unhealthy ingredients with healthier alternatives without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. For example, swap white bread for whole wheat bread, sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea, and fried foods for baked or grilled options. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall calorie intake and nutrient intake. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, or a handful of nuts. These nutrient-rich options provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full longer. When cooking, use healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil instead of butter or margarine. These healthier fats provide essential fatty acids and contribute to a balanced diet. By incorporating these smart swaps into your daily routine, you can gradually improve your eating habits without feeling restricted. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. It's about enjoying delicious food while nourishing your body. Hydration, the power of water. Water plays a vital role in weight management and overall health. Staying hydrated helps boost your metabolism, flush out toxins, and suppress appetite. Often we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. By drinking plenty of water throughout the day, you can stay hydrated and avoid overeating. Drinking water before meals can also help you feel fuller, leading to smaller portion sizes. This simple habit can significantly reduce your calorie intake without requiring you to restrict your food choices. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day to encourage regular hydration. Infuse your water with fruits, vegetables, or herbs to add flavor and variety. Try adding slices of cucumber, lemon, or berries for a refreshing twist. It's about making healthy choices delicious and appealing. The joy of cooking, creating delicious and nutritious meals. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes of your meals. It's a great way to experiment with different flavors and create healthy dishes that you enjoy. When you cook your own meals, you know exactly what's going into your food, ensuring that you're nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Explore different cuisines and recipes to discover new healthy meals that you love. Cooking at home doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. There are countless quick and easy recipes available that are both delicious and nutritious. Involve your family or friends in the cooking process to make it a fun and social activity. Cooking together can be a great way to bond and share healthy habits. Prepare your meals in advance to save time and ensure that you have healthy options readily available. It's about setting yourself up for success. Embracing variety, a rainbow on your plate. A diverse diet ensures that you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Each food group offers unique benefits, and eating a rainbow of colors ensures that you're getting a comprehensive array of vitamins and minerals. Experiment with different cooking methods to add variety and excitement to your meals. Try grilling, baking, roasting, or stir-frying your vegetables to discover new flavors and textures. Don't be afraid to try new foods and expand your culinary horizons. Exploring different cuisines and recipes can introduce you to new flavors and ingredients that you might love. By embracing variety, you can create meals that are both nutritious and satisfying. It's about enjoying the abundance of healthy and delicious foods available. Active living, moving towards a healthier you. Regular physical activity is essential for weight management and overall well-being. Find activities that you enjoy and incorporate them into your daily routine. This could include walking, jogging, swimming, dancing, or any other activity that gets you moving. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This helps you build endurance and avoid burnout. Find a workout buddy to stay motivated and accountable. Exercising with a friend can make it more fun and enjoyable. Incorporate movement into your daily routine by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or cycling to work, or doing household chores. These small changes can add up over time and contribute to your overall activity level. It's about making movement a natural part of your day. Listening to your body, understanding hunger and fullness cues. Pay attention to your body's signals and eat when you're truly hungry. Don't eat out of boredom, stress, or emotional reasons. Learn to distinguish between true hunger and other triggers for eating. This helps you develop a healthier relationship with food and avoid overeating. Eat slowly and savor each bite. This allows your body to register fullness signals, preventing you from consuming more calories than you need. Stop eating when you're comfortably satisfied, not stuffed. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching television or scrolling through your phone. This allows you to focus on your meal and be more attuned to your body's fullness cues. It's about being present in the moment and truly experiencing the joy of eating. Celebrating success. Recognizing your achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. Recognize your achievements and reward yourself in healthy ways. This helps you stay motivated and reinforces positive habits. Focus on the positive changes you've made and how they benefit your overall well-being. Don't dwell on setbacks or imperfections. Share your successes with friends, family, or a support group. This can help you stay accountable and motivated. Reward yourself with non-food related treats, such as a new book, a relaxing massage, or a fun activity. It's about celebrating your progress in meaningful ways. Conclusion: a sustainable approach to a healthier, happier you. Losing weight without dieting is about making sustainable lifestyle changes that nourish your body and mind. It's about enjoying food while making healthy choices that support your weight goals. By incorporating mindful eating, portion control, smart swaps, regular physical activity, and listening to your body's cues, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived or restricted. This journey is not about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about creating a long-term approach to health and well-being. This holistic approach to weight management empowers you to take control of your health and create a lifestyle that you love. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out and embracing a sustainable path to a healthier, happier you. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing a lifelong commitment to health and well-being.